Yeah, bumps and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too.
Hello folks, welcome to another of our Taste Buds episode. Today we are making a Jamaican favorite, guys, Callaloo rice. Yes, Callaloo rice. And it is our version of what is normally spinach rice, yeah. And we're using Callaloo, guys. And if you look in our videos, in our playlist, you'll see how to strip Callaloo in many of them. But we're pairing it with coconut milk, with garlic powder, taste. Now guys, as you can see, we're adding all our ingredients to a cold pot. Okay, we're not putting the pot on the stove and adding these ingredients. The next thing you want to add is some Larry's seasoned salt, and of course you can substitute it with regular salt, or you could omit it totally. Now we like the flavor of Larry's, and so we're adding it, and we're adding just about a teaspoon, guys, or a little bit less. Don't let the tablespoon that we're using throw you off, because we are gonna also be adding something else. We're adding some pimento seeds or allspice berries, and of course you can add as much or as little as you want. In this case, we're adding just about 3 to our pot. Now, one of the things that we're adding, guys, is our chicken noodle soup mix. And what we're gonna do is try to avoid the actual noodles and add that flavor, you know, the flavor powder at the bottom of the soup. So you're trying to avoid the noodles. You can add them if you want, but for us, we avoid the noodles and we add the flavor powder at the end. And guys, let me just tell you from now, you have to be a little bit careful with the noodle soup because it is salty. So you have to avoid the salt as much as possible. If you're diabetic, you can omit a lot of these things. Now you're gonna add your fresh ingredients, your garlic and your scallions and your thyme. And in this case, the wifey add the whole stems of the thyme. She didn't separate the leaves or anything. And of course, you can do that. Once you put your pot on and your water has come up and it's boiling and it's getting ready to start to simmer down, you want to put your Scotch bonnet pepper in because you need that flavor. And we're also using just 2 small pieces of butter, or 3 small pieces of butter. Guys, look at this. It's coming down and it's almost at the point where it's cooked. When it is almost at the point where it's cooked, that's when you want to add your callaloo. And let me tell you why. You don't want to add your callaloo immediately as you start to cook, because the callaloo is going to go black. It's going to get so cooked out. It's going to just lose all its integrity. You want to add it just as the rice starts to simmer and the water starts to reduce, so that your callaloo will remain somewhat green and, as much as possible, keep its integrity. So when you're about to stir your rice for the first time, that's when you add your callaloo. Alright guys, now some people cook it from the get-go, but we like to do it this way, so bear with us. And you just want to mix your callaloo in, and then you're gonna again cover your pot and leave it to cook. Make sure your rice is nice and soft and tender, and your callaloo has cooked all the way through to the stems. Guys, this is the finished dish. A beautiful bowl of callaloo rice, and it's very flavorful, very delicious. We just put a little bit of pepper on the top there just for presentation, but guys, I promise you, you will love it. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and tell your friends about Yardie Belly TV. And as always, we say live and laugh, cook and eat. And until we see you next time, until we do another video, we're saying peace. This callaloo rice is the bomb. It tastes so good. I love it, 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 I love it.